Ways to ensure you get the best photos at your wedding? I've got 5 of them. Have all of your details put together before the arrival of your photographer. If you took the time to pick it out or make it, then it's up to us to capture images as artfully as possible with them. Don't forget about the groom. We're matching shirts, outfits, or robes to help us to create a cohesive set of images of you and your bridesmaids that'll fit perfectly into your wedding album. Put together a list of family photos you want us to capture on the day of your wedding. That ensures that nothing is missed or left to chance. During your first dance and parent dances, keep your talking to a minimum. The last thing you want is for all of your dance photos to look like you were chewing gum the whole time. Be sure to carve out time in your wedding timeline for sunset photos. Nothing beats the golden hour for magical photos of the two of you on your wedding day. We always recommend doing these as soon as you're done eating, before everyone else is done eating. That way it doesn't mess with the flow of your reception. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to follow or subscribe for more content just like this.